Well, hello and welcome to Seville, Spain. So we're staying at this particular hotel, the Casa Judería, and the fascinating thing about this hotel is it's actually 27 houses that have been combined to make one hotel. The only problem with that, it means finding your bedroom is quite complicated. Let me show you what I mean. So we're entering the hotel now, just coming through the doors here, and we're into the foyer. Lovely foyer. Now let's try and find our room. Okay, so down here. Yeah, all looks fairly straightforward. Wait a minute. No, we're going, yeah. No, this looks right, yes. Down here, yeah. Obviously you have to go subterranean. Makes total sense. And now, now we, oh yeah, through the tunnel, yeah. Obviously through the tunnel. Yeah, okay. Past all the concessions. And, you know, if you need your flamenco dress, this is where you come. But go under the road, lights come on, and now we, this way, yeah, let's go this way. And not sure what this is. And past the fountain thing, that's Dave. Oh no, it's Colin. Now we're somewhere else, but we keep going, and I'm sure we'll find a room fairly soon, past the mosaic. On we go, still underground at this point, and yeah, fairly straightforward as you can see. Thank goodness we're not drunk. That's the bath. Yeah, nice. Carrying on, keep going. Oh, and here's a little map. Yeah, came in here, got to go along here. Yeah, and down here. Yeah, down here. It's all very straightforward. You know, I think, yeah, down here, past the, yeah. Oh, no, we've gone totally wrong. Right, back we go. No, hold on. This is it. This is definitely it. Yeah, of course you come up here. Makes perfect sense to come up here. And, no, that doesn't look right. No. I'm thinking, what am I thinking? I'm thinking over here. Definitely over here. Not sure about this. No, it's not that. Oh no, this is definitely it. Yeah. Of course this is it. What am I thinking? Yeah. No, this is all very straightforward now. You go out of the hotel. Evening. How are you?
Hi, and you?
I'm doing very well, thanks very much. And then in to the other bit, which, and then it's quite frankly very straightforward. I don't know all the, oh, and there it is. And there's our room. So there we are. So, very straightforward. And, you know, just follow your nose.